Are you looking for the best steam cleaner? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the 5 best steam cleaner, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 4. Steam Cleaner. 15 seconds heat up, 1.6 liter tank, 3-level adjustable handle, 2500 watt steamer for cleaning, portable steamer for cleaning with 16 pieces accessories, steam cleaner for home, car, dirt, grease, grout, tile, couch. Brand, Flagosix. Model name, handheld steam cleaners. Powerful steam cleaner. This handheld steam cleaner has 2500 watt power, can generate up to 221 Fahrenheit, 105 degrees Celsius high temperature steam in just 15 seconds, and release 3-bar high pressure, effectively cleaning stubborn greasy dirt and stains, allowing you to easily complete cleaning tasks. 100% chemical free, no harmful fumes or residues. The steam cleaner for home keeps your family and pets healthy. The pressurized handheld steam cleaner is made of high-quality ABS material, durable, heat-resistant, and easy to use. Upgraded handle remote control design. Multi-purpose steamer for home use has an upgraded handle adjustment button with 3 indicator lights to simplify operation. The steamer for cleaning can remotely adjust the steam intensity to meet different cleaning needs. The hand steamer for cleaning has 3 levels of steam adjustment to accurately match cleaning needs. The screen will display the real-time usage of the equipment.
Number 5. ODSD Steam Cleaner for home and car. 3-level adjustable steamer for cleaning, 15 seconds heat up, and 1.6 liter large tank. Handheld steam cleaner for car detailing, home, tile, grout, furniture with 15 pieces accessories. Brand, ODSD. Special feature, manual. Surface recommendation, car detailing, home, tile, grout, furniture, pet areas. Powerful instant steam. Get professional-grade cleaning in just 15 seconds. Our ODSD handheld steam cleaner delivers 221 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature steam and 3-bar pressure to dissolve stubborn grease, grime, no chemicals needed. Perfect for home, kitchens, bathrooms, cars, and more. 3-level steam control with handle button. Customize your clean with ease. Adjust steam intensity directly from the handle. Low for delicate surfaces like upholstery, high for tough tile grime or auto engines. Effortless and user-friendly. Note, please prepare 2 AA batteries not included for immediate use. Large 1.6 liter tank for longer cleaning. No more interruptions. The extra-large transparent tank offers up to 48 minutes of continuous steam, ideal for whole house deep cleaning or car interior detailing. No frequent refills, just focus on your tasks.
Number 2. McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. 2-hour runtime, chemical-free, 23 accessories, mop head, brushes, and more. Built for home, tile, carpet, furniture, and personal car detailing. Brand, McCulloch. Special feature, chemical-free steam, large capacity tank, personal car detailing at home, rapid heat up, steam control. Surface recommendation, floor. Model name, MC1385. Included components, 23 accessories, steam cleaner. Chemical-free cleaning. Naturally deep clean without the use of harsh chemicals, using hot pressured steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from a wide range of surfaces, including tile, grout, granite, laminate, appliances, grills, autos, and more. 23 accessories, equipped for steam cleaning jobs in and around your home, including a floor mop, mop pads, nylon presses, brass brush, angled nozzle, scrub pad, scraper, squeegee, and more. Conveniently store accessories on board or an included storage bag.
Number 3. BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner. Car/auto detailer with Hydro Rinse self-cleaning tool and 4-inch tough stain tool. Tea green. Brand, BISSELL. Color, tea. Item weight, 7 pounds. Style, Little Green Mini. Every purchase saves pets. Every purchase makes it possible for BISSELL to continue our support of BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission of saving pets in need. Save your sanctuary. Tackle spills and pet stains while removing dander, dust, and pollen allergens. Cleans more than carpet. Spray, scrub, and suction to remove embedded dirt and stains from upholstery, car interiors, pet beds, and more. Includes 4-inch tough stain tool with removable lens, Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool, and 8-ounce BISSELL Little Green formula. Easy storage, conveniently stores in small spaces, perfect for cabinets, closets, and more. Little Green Formula instantly and permanently removes stains and eliminates everyday household odors.
Number 1. WSRYYCC Steam Cleaner. Portable steamer for cleaning with 16 pieces accessories, 6-level adjustable, and 15 seconds heat up. Handheld steam cleaner for home, tile, dirt, grout, grease, car detailing. Brand: WSRYYCC. Special feature: large capacity tank, lightweight, portable, touchscreen, steam cleaner. Surface recommendation: floor, sink, door, curtain, countertop, upholstery, mattress, wall, carpet, window, grout. Model name: LEST-C2. Included components: steam cleaner. Powerful steam cleaner. This steam cleaner heats up in just 15 seconds, releasing high-temperature steam at 221 degrees Fahrenheit, 105 degrees Celsius, and 3 bar of pressure, instantly dissolving stubborn grease, grime, stains, and bacteria. With a power output of 1500 watts, it effortlessly removes dirt and is a reliable helper for everyday household cleaning. 6-level adjustable touch control. Simply press the plus or minus buttons on the handheld steam cleaner to easily switch between 6 steam intensity settings to suit your cleaning needs. Whether you're cleaning tire treads or the upholstery and trim inside your car, this car detailing steam cleaner ensures that all surfaces look brand new. It's smart, efficient, and easy to use.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.